We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what users say about the TMY Mini Projector. The upgraded Bluetooth projector with screen, 1080p Full HD portable capability, and broad compatibility for both indoor and outdoor use. If you own this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description. Using it supports the channel. The TMY Mini Projector Model V08 is designed with the modern entertainment enthusiast in mind, offering a blend of portability, versatility, and performance. At the heart of its appeal is an upgraded LED light source, supporting native 720p resolution with 1080p Full HD compatibility. This means it can display high-definition content with clarity that rivals many entry-level home theater setups. The projector's compact dimensions, measuring just 7.48 by 3.78 by 2.83 inches and weighing a little over 3 pounds, make it an ideal companion for travel, outdoor movie nights, or quick setup in any room. Users consistently highlight its portability as a major advantage, noting that it is small enough to carry anywhere while still delivering a cinematic experience. A key feature that sets the TMY Mini Projector apart is its Bluetooth 5.1 functionality. This allows seamless wireless audio transmission to Bluetooth speakers or headphones, providing flexibility in audio setup. The built-in speaker is serviceable for small rooms or personal viewing, but users often recommend pairing the projector with external Bluetooth speakers for a true theater-like experience. It is important to note that Bluetooth is limited to audio devices and does not support screen mirroring from smartphones, a point that has caused some confusion among buyers expecting wireless video streaming. The package includes a portable, foldable, and anti-wrinkle projection screen, which is larger than many competitors' offerings. This inclusion is frequently cited as a significant value add, enabling users to set up a home theater virtually anywhere, whether indoors or outdoors. Many reviewers have praised the screen's quality and ease of use, though some prefer projecting directly onto a blank wall for an even larger image. The projector supports a display area from 32 inches up to a massive 220 inches, with adjustable projection distances between 1.5 and 6 meters. The aspect ratio can be switched between 4, 3 and 16, 9, and the contrast ratio of 5000. One ensures decent color depth and detail, especially in darkened environments. Performance-wise, the TMY Mini Projector receives high marks for image clarity and vibrancy, particularly when used in dark rooms. Users report that the 1080p Full HD support delivers crisp visuals for movies, TV shows, and video games, making it a popular choice for family gatherings, children's parties, and backyard movie nights. The lamp life is rated at 60,000 hours, promising years of reliable use with minimal maintenance. The improved uniform illumination method introduced in the 2023 update addresses a common issue with budget projectors, ensuring even brightness across the entire screen without dark edges. Compatibility is another strong suit for the TMY Mini Projector. It works with a wide range of devices, including TV sticks, smartphones, laptops, tablets, and gaming consoles via HDMI and USB. However, connecting mobile devices requires the appropriate HDMI adapter, which is not included in the package. For iOS devices, an official Lightning to HDMI adapter is necessary, while Android users need a micro USB or Type-C to HDMI cable if their phone supports MHL. Users whose phones do not support MHL are advised to use a Chromecast or similar streaming device. This requirement has led to some frustration among less tech-savvy buyers who expected more straightforward wireless connectivity. A recurring theme in user feedback is the ease of setup. Most users find the projector intuitive to operate, with a straightforward manual that clearly explains how to connect various devices. The included remote, adjustable focus and tilt, and expandable foot make it easy to achieve the desired image size and alignment. Many reviewers, even those with little technical background, report being able to set up the projector and start watching content within minutes. However, some first-time projector owners have encountered challenges when attempting to stream content directly from apps like Netflix or Hulu due to HDCP restrictions. The workaround is to use a TV stick, Roku, or Chromecast, which resolves the issue but may require additional setup time. In terms of audio performance, the built-in speaker is adequate for small spaces, but lacks the depth and volume needed for larger gatherings or outdoor use. The Bluetooth 5.1 feature compensates for this by allowing users to connect to higher quality external speakers or headphones. Volume can be adjusted from 0 to 100, and many users find a comfortable listening level around 15 to 20 for bedroom use. For optimal results, especially in outdoor settings, external speakers are recommended. The TMY Mini Projector's build quality is frequently described as durable and robust for its price point. The compact design does not feel flimsy, and the unit is well protected during shipping. The included screen, while lightweight, holds up well with repeated use and is easy to clean. Some users have devised creative mounting solutions, such as attaching the screen to lightweight boards for quick setup in different locations. One of the most appreciated aspects of this projector is its value for money. Many users purchased it during promotional events or sales, paying significantly less than the original list price. Even at full price, the consensus is that the TMY Mini Projector offers features and performance that exceed expectations for its category. With over 21,000 ratings and an average score of 4.3 out of 5 stars, it ranks as one of the best-selling video projectors in its class. Despite its many strengths, the TMY Mini Projector is not without drawbacks. The most common complaints center around misunderstandings regarding wireless streaming capabilities and the need for additional adapters or streaming devices. Some buyers were disappointed by the projector's small size, expecting a larger unit, though this is also cited as a benefit by those seeking portability. A few users found the initial setup process more time-consuming than anticipated, particularly when moving the projector between locations or connecting to new devices. The manual, while generally helpful, could be more explicit about the limitations of Bluetooth and the need for specific adapters. Another consideration is the projector's brightness. While it performs admirably in dark rooms, image quality diminishes in well-lit environments. This is typical for projectors in this price range, and most users adapt by ensuring the viewing area is as dark as possible. The projector is not intended for professional presentations or large conference rooms, but excels in home entertainment, bedrooms, play areas, and small gatherings. User experiences with the TMY Mini Projector are overwhelmingly positive when expectations align with the product's intended use. Families enjoy movie nights that rival the theater experience, children are entertained at parties, and travelers appreciate the convenience of a portable entertainment solution. The ability to project a large, clear image from a compact device is a game changer for many, and the included screen adds significant value. The projector's versatility is evident in its compatibility with a wide range of devices, though users should be prepared to purchase the necessary adapters for mobile connections. For those considering the TMY Mini Projector, it is important to review the product's specifications and ensure it meets your needs. If you are looking for a portable, easy-to-use projector for home entertainment, family gatherings, or outdoor movie nights, this model is an excellent choice. Its Bluetooth audio capability, included screen, and broad compatibility make it a standout in its category. However, if you require wireless video streaming or plan to use the projector in brightly lit environments, you may need to adjust your expectations or consider additional accessories. In summary, the TMY Mini Projector offers a compelling combination of performance, portability, and value. Its strengths include crisp 1080p HD support, Bluetooth audio, a generous projection screen, and straightforward setup. The main limitations involve the need for adapters for mobile connections and the lack of wireless video streaming. Overall, it is a highly recommended product for anyone seeking an affordable and flexible projector for home and outdoor use. If you have experience with the TMY Mini Projector, please share your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Remember, the link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel.